Pathian le kaputhiang lim sharing ngai thang tu fing te bung som ni le pahi sang khan sum tam takai mi that ni than jok tu ani a tangka le rang ka takai du sak na angai net om tu bin sin member zom tak tak te session cậu là ngay bồi ngoài lầu cả la lồng thú căn thil chơi wa hay in là hôm lẽ mình thar vung mày ạ lồng mày với nia session căn này tu ra hi governorin floor test này tu ra lệ kha mình rồi bẹt angin session he ko ani chu le kha chu kan share chu ka nga no a 13016/1/2020 DCNMA L bracket Governor of Mizoram District Councils and Minority Affairs Department ISO the 7th February 2025. To the Chairman of Autonomous District Council Long Tai. Subject summoning of emergency session regarding thereof. Sir, I am to inform you that as per sub-rule of Rule 32 of the Autonomous District Council, Constitution, Conduct of Business, etc., Rule 2010 and as approved by the Honorable Governor, you are requested to summon emergency session for conducting floor tests on 12 February 2025. Moreover, all appointment, transfer and posting under the Autonomous District Council is stayed till the result of the floor test is concluded. Your faithfully, Sangchi Jinza, IAS, Secretary to the Government of Mizoram District Council and Minority Affairs Department. ISO T. Ani. Với nó cần session tu ra hiện business đắng ông là ba floor test này tu ra thì cần gì nè akal phung pa ngay chuan với hiện MNF Legislator Party United Legislator Party anoma helma hiện ZPM Legislator Party aoma party pahi in fin ve kan ni ti na ni chu ti chuan hei le khadang kan hule tat maya kan share chu kanga the Honorable Governor of Mizoram Raj Baban Aizol through the Chairman of Autonomous District Council subject resignation from the office of the Chief Executive Member. Sir, with reference to the subject as indicated above and as provided under sub-rule 1A of Rule 23 of the Autonomous District Council, Constitution, Conduct of Business, etc., Rule 2010, Sanghi Som, as amended from time to time, I hereby tender my resignation as the Chief Executive Member of the Autonomous District Council and resign from the office of the Chief Executive Member on this day of February ni som pani sang hi som ni le panga yo sincerely si Lalmuanthanga'n ti ania si matagin anin ri zaina ne lo de wa chun ngai to ni mai thei khalai khachu ria sa ni mai chu wang chu ani nei voi ni te chu alo ma te lom pui lungai te lungai pui ni chu wang chu ani hin ta ka khom angaya CM and design wang khan LAD sarkar na kha ata ani ti kha kan ketlang tu rangayang ti chuan voi ni tan chuan session business dang lo wangin he house tu de tang chuan thuleu ma lo chuan kati to pani session ro sanadai